So imagine having a personal assistant that helps you summarize, draft emails, and even create lesson plans, all with just a few simple prompts. So that's exactly what Microsoft Copilot does. Whether you're an educator, a researcher, or an administrator, this AI-powered tool can enhance productivity and streamline tasks. Hi everyone, I'm Chris Hickman, and in this quick video, I'll walk you through how to get started with Microsoft Copilot, the AI-powered assistant approved for use at UAB. So whether you're looking to enhance your productivity or streamline tasks or just explore AI-powered teaching strategies, Microsoft Copilot can help. So let's jump into it. On my screen here, I'm showing my browser, and we access Microsoft Copilot by going to copilot.microsoft.com. It will ask you to log in, and you'll use your UAB credentials for that. So that ensures that you're using the approved version of Microsoft Copilot with the approved security settings in place. So once you're logged in, you'll notice a pretty clean and intuitive interface. So let's take a quick tour. At the top, we have our work versus web. So work pulls information from the organization's data. So if that's enabled. So while web, on the other hand, allows you to generate AI-powered responses using Bing searches. There's recent chats. This is where you can quickly revisit your past conversations. Suggested actions typically show up here at the bottom. You have a button here to view prompts where you could see some options. So this just provides you with a quick start, such as like summarizing research or improving writing, or things like you see here. Stay informed, find the right questions, sharpen your writing. And as I switch between work and web, you'll notice that some things change here. So it has things like sharpen your writing, monitor industry news, and so forth. So you can click one of these just to get started. And then at the very bottom, you have your message box. So this is where you would enter your custom prompts. You can type your requests or attach files for analysis by clicking Add Content, so upload to the device, or attach cloud files. And then over here on the right side, you have Chat with an Agent, which is a more advanced feature we'll cover in the future. And then your send. Once you type in your prompt, you click the send button. So let's enter our first prompt here. So Copilot works best when you provide very clear and specific instructions. Since many of us are using AI in education, let's try a couple of prompts here that are tailored to teaching AI concepts. So let's start with explain how large language models work in simple terms for nursing students. And so you'll notice as I started typing, the send button is active. So we'll start that. And I'm not going to read through the entire message, but you can see that it's now giving me some ideas. Let's break down how large language models like me work using a simple analogy that nursing students can relate to. And so it gives you some topics and ways to think about it. So you can then say, create a discussion question about the ethical use of AI in healthcare education. And you can either hit enter on your keyboard or send. And so here's a thoughtful discussion question tailored for nursing students. So there's your discussion question, and it encourages students to think critically about these 4 items. And then finally, I've got a last one here. Draft a short quiz with 3 multiple choice questions on AI in clinical practice. So I can send that, and it's giving me some quizzes, some quiz questions. And so it says, number 1, what's the potential benefit of using AI in clinical decision support systems? And it also it gives you the 4 possible answers and the 1 correct answer. Number 2, number 3. So it's giving me 3. I can then go back and modify this and say, this is great, give me 10. So you can always think about using Copilot as an assistant. If you have someone in the room with you and you're trying to ask them to generate quiz questions for an upcoming test, you would give them instructions. You think of this in the same way. So by using prompts like these, you can generate things like lecture materials, develop assessments, and create student engagement with AI-generated content. So now that you know the basics, try experimenting with Copilot in your own workflow. Whether you're drafting things like lesson plans or generating discussion prompts or summarizing key topics, Copilot can be a very powerful tool to use in education. So for more AI resources at UAB, you can visit our AI Resource Hub through the AI Advisory Group. So thanks for watching and happy prompting.